Hello everyone, welcome to Mystic Pore Studio. In this two-part video series, I'll be exploring how chameleon powders and eyeshadows interact with various background colors. In this first part, we'll focus exclusively on chameleon powders and compare their effects. So let's begin. I started by mixing my resin and hardener and then set it aside for some time. I'm using my bookmark molds for this project. With clean paint brushes, I am applying the chameleon powders directly to the molds. I have 3 molds prepared as I'll be comparing the effects with black, white and clear resin backgrounds. Let's go ahead and brush the powders into all the molds. Before pouring in the resin, I lightly tap the molds to remove any excess powder. Now let's divide the resin into 3 parts. I'll be using black and white pigment paste for the different mixes. In the first mold, I pour the clear resin, in the second, black resin, and in the third mold, the white resin mix. After making sure that there are no more bubbles left on the surface, I am going to leave these bookmarks to cure for at least 12 hours. It's time to demold. Let's carefully demold the bookmarks one by one. The first one with the clear resin looks neat and has a lovely shine. The white resin has blended the colors together, making them less distinct. It also looks a bit untidy as the white background highlights everything too intensely. A bit more precision in applying the powders might improve the results. Wow, the black bookmark is by far the standout. It looks neat and clean with the colors popping beautifully against the dark background. I would definitely recommend using black as a background for chameleon powders. Make sure you tune in for part 2 of this video where I'll be demonstrating how eyeshadow powders perform with these 3 backgrounds using the same technique. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.